Menteri Rangba ke Jilla ulai thu ba mynshwa habo wan Soso Tham Auditorium udon ke jing sngo lehraiñ namar ke jing bambiang bambit nadu ki shuki ba kiwe pat ki benta ha kane ke auditorium hynrei mynta kala ibet ibyang bat itynnad bah ya kane Menteri Rangba ula keren ha ke jing ilang hadian ke jing play ya kato kat ni ke jing terikam katanat arts and culture ha kate ke jaka bekentup ya ka commemorative artistic mural ka jingshna thamai ka Soso Tham Auditorium bat ka museum on wheels ha ka arpo artrik rimpang arhajar arpo ar Kiwei ki balaya sakhi lang hakani kasngi ki kentup yo simbot Menteri Rangba ke Jilla uba Preston Tinsong Menteri Ketenan Arts and Culture uba Sanbor Shulai ka Chief Secretary kong RV Suchiang Principal Secretary Dr. P. Shakil Amamet but Commissioner and Secretary Ketenan Arts and Culture Frederick Roy Kharkhongor nalor kiwei pan.
And I think all of you are aware that within a few months from now, I should say, within this 50 years of our statehood. So we will be inaugurating the sick pack. We are in the final phase of putting up the sound system and the interiors, and which will be international level, and we will be having international performing arts programs going on there. And there are a large number of auditoriums, each one designed for different performing arts. So I think the sick pack will be again another very important step towards performing arts and allowing the venues and space for our young artists to perform, but more importantly allowing the space to be used for national and international events. So Shillong will become a very important place to host different kind of performing arts programs once we are done with the sick pack auditorium. And as I said, it's a full center, so there are multiple auditoriums out there, and I can assure you that this will be one of the best performing arts centers, if not in the whole country, at least in the entire Northeast. And as I said, we are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that we are able to provide the best quality out there. We are also looking at expanding facilities for a hotel out there so that we can actually have both the performing arts and a 5-star hotel in the same campus so that people don't have to travel much. So different kind of facilities are also being planned in that area. So we hope that we'll be able to take that project forward. And but in the meantime, as I said, the sick pack will also be ready, and we should be inaugurating that within a few months from now. As we have renovated the auditorium here, you are aware that we are doing the same for Tura Auditorium. And the Tura Auditorium also has been in the same shape as the Shillong Auditorium. Again, a place where we used to feel quite bad entering, but we had no choice. I hope that in the next couple of months, the Tura Auditorium also will be equally as good as this. We will be renovating. The renovation process is going on. Everything from centralized air conditioning to new chairs, just like what has been done out here. The Tura Auditorium also is being done. And we are working towards ensuring that other smaller district headquarters, like for example Chuai, William Nagar, Nongstoin, Riboy, in these areas also we would like to in a phase-wise manner take up the renovation of the auditoriums in those locations. We are also working towards having, like we have a sick pack out here in Shillong, we will be having a convention hall that will be coming up in Tura. The paperwork for that is going on. We hope that within a month or 2 months time, the new convention hall for Tura, that the entire tendering process for that will be over, and we expect that by April or May, the work for that also should start very soon.